All right, folks, welcome back to the channel. I got another hot product for you from my friends at Banggood for review. Caddx Turbo EOS2. Let's take a look at it. Open up the box, we get our little warranty card. People, remember, 1 year warranty. Don't just throw these things away when they quit working. Of course, if you smash it, that's kind of out the window, but Caddx, good warranty. And here's the camera. Now, there's not a whole lot to say about the camera. This is a 4.3 NTSC camera, Turbo EOS2. Comes with a connector on it, lens cap. I don't care about that. A real small build here, real small form factor. Give you an idea of the size there. This thing is about I don't know, 14 millimeters by 14. And the overall length of this is, let's see if we can get right up to the end of the lens there. It's 15 millimeters. And if we want to go from the mounting post to the end of the lens, 10 mil. So, also comes with 2 screws. But so why buy such a small camera? What purpose could this serve? Well, if it wasn't for this drone and these goggles, I wouldn't really care about this. But Eachine Trashcan comes with a 16:9 camera. My HDOs are 4.3 only. So the image is very, very distorted when I fly this thing around. I have difficulty flying this in proximity, and I want to see if maybe changing the camera out will make things a little easier. Look for a video where I replace this guy with this camera so it looks good on these goggles. It's just a real quick review here. Not a whole lot to talk about on a camera. If this thing looks anything like this camera did, it's going to be a winner. It's the Caddx Turbo EOS2. This one is a 4.3 NTSC camera. If you like this, please click like, subscribe. If you want to get this camera, click the product link in the description below. All those clicks help bring me more products to this channel to bring reviews to you and to be able to do fun little projects like I'm going to do with this Eachine Trashcan. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by. And as always, keep flying. Bye.